Real people, real cases. This is Verdict Watch.
Anna Mackey on behalf of Mr. Dalton, who is, I believe he's riding a bus right now to court, Your Honor. The last we've heard, he was in downtown Ann Arbor 20 minutes ago. It's a slow bus.
He came from Detroit. Let him know he came from Detroit.
The bus has been driving from Detroit, Your Honor. Maybe it ran out of gas.
You ran out of what?
He's coming. The bus is coming.
How do I know he's on a bus?
I spoke to him, Your Honor.
Huh?
I spoke to him and he said he was on the bus.
So what do you want me to do? Bench warn him?
No, Your
And
Honor.
we can go get him?
If you could please pass this matter for a few.
A few. Okay, so hold on. I went through this almost exact same thing with Cannon. And yes, I know, they had pictures all along of him on his bus ride. It was
So
like
it's a
trees.
common
It was
thing.
video. It was just trees going by a window on a bus. I don't know if it was on a bus. But at least they gave me pictures. Not you, nothing.
I'll provide photos, Your Honor, in a minute. It's clearly a common problem with buses. If Stephanie had the same issue with her.
Okay, Mackie, when's the last time you got on a bus?
For school, Your Honor. We ride a bus from the parking lot to class. It's like a mile walk.
When's the last time you got on a bus for travel around the city or?
New York. In New York. Subway, that's even better. Subway.
A subway is different than a bus.
Okay, I've never been on a bus, Your Honor.
I didn't think so. Okay, thank you. I'll pass it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I've never been on a bus. I know. Don't know why you're trying to fight it. Just say I've never been on a bus. She doesn't even know if it's a slow bus.
Next case on the docket.
Versus Larzell, Washington.
Good morning, Edward Lucas on behalf of Larzell, Washington.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing great. What's your name?
Larzell in Washington.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, we had referred this over to the recovery court. I spoke with them and they indicated that they've in receipt of all the information to do an intake. However, they have not done that interview. That interview could be completed within the week. Like if we could have a 1-week adjournment.
Probable cause conference, May 22nd, 2025, 9 a.m. bound continue. Court calls case People
Excuse me.
versus Marquis Fab.
Oh, excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
Can I please have a word? With all due respect.
I think Mr. Washington would like to address bond.
Excuse me, miss.
go ahead.
How you doing, Your Honor? My
I'm
name is
great.
Larzell near Washington. First and foremost, forgive me about my outbreak last time I was here.
Can I have that file?
And thank
Go
you,
ahead.
sir. Thank you, sir. What happened was, I wasn't aware, as my attorney indicated, what day was my probable cause hearing was. Okay, I went back to the magistrate. They said, no, well, we're gonna let Judge Simpson handle it. Then last time I came here, it was a 2-week hold because they didn't do their job. I feel I shouldn't have to be.
Who didn't do the job?
What you say? You gave him a plea.
The recovery court?
Well, I didn't ask for no recovery court, but whatever assessment you gave him, it was 2 weeks. And the honorable judge said, okay, well, I'm not going to change his bond. Now, you still didn't indicate I was looking for a bond. And I wasn't even aware of a drug court. So with all due respect, I do appreciate you, but I did, unfortunately, miss my court date.
Right.
I was
And then how'd you come into custody?
Oh, I came into custody? What, trying to, being a good Samaritan. Some woman was being stalked and they figured out what my name was, and I totally forgot. I really didn't know what court date it was. And I was disciplined for the first, and in discipline, well, not necessarily discipline, you allowed it to, override until they took care of their own situation, but it's not my fault.
So who is they?
Would you explain to him?
Well, I think I got to collect more of that story.
Okay, you gave him a piece of paper about assessment along with a plea.
Mhm.
Okay, I get here today, the assessment not taken care of. Right?
You just want them to speed up the process. I
No,
think we
not
gotta-
them. It's not his fault. He's a judge.
Mhm.
They supposed to be.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's right. Nothing is my fault.
No, yes, it's not.
That's right. I know.
Amen. So I'm saying, I'm just trying to, sir, live my life. I normally work the carnival shows. I have really been disciplined for not being aware of to show up. I'm not dumb enough not to show up again.
Excuse me one moment. Whose phone is that? It's somebody down there's phone. Is hers? Tana's phone? Really? Go ahead, sir.
And I'm not ignorant enough not to show up in front of Judge Simpson courtroom again.
I think he is saying that he would show up to court next time. He's asking for a PR bond.
Yes, I am, sir.
If the court would not provide a PR bond at this time, if the court would allow an interview to take place, if that interview takes place, then the court provide a PR bond.
I never said that. I asked, could you please provide a PR bond? And I will.
I addressed this the last time you were here.
What was it about?
I think they're gonna keep you in.
All right, man, you're fired. God bless you. And thank you, Your Honor.
Why is he fired?
Because he's not speaking up for me. I really don't even know what's going on.
Oh, it would, okay, so does he understand before you make that final decision about firing him? It
Well,
wouldn't have mattered whether you spoke or he spoke. I was denying your motion. I've already
Okay.
heard it.
well, I don't know. Why are you denying the motion? And what's so funny?
Because
Wow.
you appeared here, didn't show up, didn't turn yourself in, got picked up, got brought here.
Yes.
That's how we got you back.
And the
So I'm
magistrate,
not releasing you
right, the
now.
magistrate
Okay, so
did not release me, and then
that's right.
you didn't release me
That's
because
right.
you wait for assessment. Am I
And I
correct?
haven't had the assessment yet, have I?
Exactly. So is it my fault you haven't had assessment? Is it your fault?
It ain't it's my fault. I thought nothing was my fault.
So whose fault is it?
I don't know.
But it's not mine. You do agree.
No, I don't agree.
The assessment, do I?
I don't know whose fault it is. It hasn't happened. I'm done.
Pretty much. God bless you.
Thank you, Your
And
Honor.
you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, keep talking. Why are you up here at my, why are you at my podium? Why are you at my podium? Next time, Tana, turn your phone up louder when that's going on.
And then it was.
Did I call your case?
Yes, you did. You called, Houston's Bath, Marquis Bath.
Oh, that was so long ago. You're right. You are right, Miss Cannon. And I usually criticize you for not getting up here on time. And I have to give you credit that you're like early.
Got it, Judge.
Thanks for watching Verdict Watch. New court drama every day. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a case. Leave a comment with your thoughts. We're watching too.